Alright guys, today I'm going to be diagnosing my windshield washer fluid issue. So I fill up the reservoir, and it's not a cracked reservoir because I've already had that problem a couple years ago. But my little sprayers aren't getting to the windshield, and it's pissing all underneath my truck. And sometimes it's coming out like the headlights too. So I'm going to start by taking off this bar. It's either a 10 millimeter or a ½ inch. I think that's a 10 mil. And then pulling my battery out. And then I'll go as far as removing the battery tray, removing the inner fender, and taking out the windshield washer fluid reservoir. Because it's either a pump fell out or a little tube that's, you know, all in line with the windshield washer fluid got disconnected from itself. So I'll take you along, and hopefully it's an easy fix. Alright, so right now I've just taken out my battery and moved my little support over. Last night when I tried to use my windshield wipers, it's like the pump fell out but it's facing downwards because it's just pissing all underneath my truck. So took the battery out, about to take the plate out. Once I do that, I'm gonna move around into the inner fender, pop the inner fender out, and I should be able to yank the reservoir out. Alright, so before I even got the battery tray out, I noticed, I don't know how well you can see that, this little black hose came out of there, so I have a feeling that's what happened. So I'm gonna shove that back in there and then see if I can put maybe like a small zip tie around it. I don't want to cut it off at all because that's pretty thin tubing, but let me see if that works. Alright, so I just went ahead and hooked up that battery and got those put back together. I shoved that in there pretty far. I don't see the reason to put a zip tie on it, but I just tested it, and I can't tell if you can see, but it did work. The windshield washer fluid came out of where it was supposed to and not all over the ground. So that was a relatively easy fix. I figured it would be a pump or a line came out somewhere, but that's it for this project.